Looking for the best protectors for your home? Let's count down the top 5 guard dog breeds. Number 5, the German Shepherd. Smart, loyal, and fearless. Number 4, the Rottweiler. Strong, powerful, and protective. Number 3, the Doberman Pinscher. Speed meets intelligence. Number 2, the Bull Mastiff. Gentle giant but a fearless guardian. And number 1, the Cane Corso. Massive strength, unmatched loyalty. Would you own one? Tell us your favorite guard dog in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to @petkairo.